Hello, incredible team members. My name is Aidan and welcome to IT6318 LEGO. Apologies because of the lockdown haircut. I am starting to look like Creepcraft.
So obviously quarantine's been going on a little bit, and as you can see, it's a little bit. I look like I got attacked by Hot Topic right now. Yeah, it's a little bit crazy. So we're just gonna put the hat back on for the rest of this video like this. There we go.
But this isn't Roblox. This is LEGO, and let's get into it. 1 month ago, on my Instagram, I posted this image. And many people were wondering what it was, and it's this. Have a good look at that. What do you think this is? Not sure? Okay, let's change up the colours. This is the MegaSquad logo out of LEGO. It's kind of hard to see because, well, it's brick built. And today I'm not just going to be showing you it, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how you can build it and how simple it is. Let's go! Here are the parts you will need to build the MegaSquad logo. 7 lime green 1x2 plates. 4 light blue 1x2 plates. 2 1x3 light blue plates. 4 1x1 light blue plates. And they can be with attachments or not. You'll also need 2 2x2 light blue modified tiles and 2 1x2 modified tiles. And finally, one of these modified 1x1 snot tile because of the holes on both sides. And this is what you will need to build the logo. Step 1. You will need to bring in these pieces I'm showing on screen. As you can see, when it focuses, here we go. We have these pieces. I suggest getting the exact same duplicates of the pieces in a pile separately, as we'll be doing the mirror image of this later. First, we get our 2x2 modified tile, and we grab the 1x3 plate and place that in the indent there. Then we will also need this piece clipped on to this stud here, if it focuses. Why is this autofocus not working? This is a real pain. And then we will put that one like that. So if you look on it straight on, it looks like it has a nice straight edge, then a curve. The reason why I don't just use a 1x2 tile here is because the new pieces have lips on the end, but on these ones they do not have a lip, so it looks more consistent. As long as you don't view it at an angle, you won't see the dip there. Then we just place that here, and we'll do the reverse with these bricks here. There we go. Now we have the sides of the M. Pop those away. Here are the next pieces you will need. 1 1x2 light blue, 2 1x2 light greens, and your 1x1 light blue pieces. you will attach the two greens together like so, and this is going to be really important to have it like this, as it will be connecting both sides together. As you can see, we have the studs, they can't click, and that is why we need this brick. So we've got this, make sure the studs are down on that side and it's going away. Then we grab this and place as such, and we will place this attaching there and this attaching there. Now we can place that at the back. For the next part, we will need to bring in 3 lime greens, 1 of those, and only 1 of these 1x1s. Connect these in this pattern. Now, it may look like we're missing 1 to make a full propeller, but that's not what we're going for. We need to have it so it looks a bit like a S. Then we grab this piece and place it here, and this piece and grab it here. So as you can see, we will pop these together, other way up, like this. Now we can go ahead and attach the one we've just made to the first thing we made, and we have that, and do the same with the other one. So now we have the M, we just need to attach it together. Then we will bring in our remaining 2 pieces, clip them together, our coloured on top of the there, and I really would suggest having a clip here in this form, so then if you want to, you can clip it onto a board or something, and then we can just put that on our M1, M part 1, clip that on the green that will be sticking out, and don't break it like I just did. Apply pressure here and that. Try not to allow this to move around too much, as it is on a circle there. And then this piece here will clip on here, and you may need to adjust it with some pressure changes until you find it's connecting correctly. There is how you have that, your MegaSquad logo. Now have some fun with it. Maybe you could change up the colour scheme. Maybe you're more a fan of Gothic and you want a black and white style MegaSquad logo. Or you prefer the pink MegaSquad merch and you want the pink MegaSquad logo. Again, I haven't got a different coloured clip here, but because of the way it's built, looking at it straight on, you can't actually see it. Maybe you don't like pink, but you prefer purples and dark blues. Again, here I didn't actually have 1x1 tiles, but that's okay. It looks quite nice with the flowers on them. Or finally, you can do the colour that does not even exist, from what I've spotted in MegaSquad, and yellow. Maybe you just like yellow. Or maybe mix it up, make it rainbow, and make this translucent. or you can swap out the center colors and make this bit grey, but completed via a rainbow. It's completely up to you how you choose to build your MegaSquad logo. And that is it. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial on how to make the MegaSquad logo out of Lego, and I will see you next time for more building. Bye!